What's up, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a 2014 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. This is a cool bike, looks real tough with the flat gray and black two-tone. This is more of a sportier cruiser. It's got nice lines, good power plant. I like the tank graphics, just real simple. Just goes with the theme of the bike, in my opinion. It's got a 900cc fuel-injected V-twin, liquid cooled. It's got forward controls on it, nice stretched out seating position. It's also got some Vance & Hines pipes, good sound. 2-up seat, passenger pegs. Only thing I saw was a small scratch right there on the gas tank, very minor. Engine's blacked out, just adds to that tough look. It's got a smoke lens on the brake light there. Good tire on the rear. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly, and then we give it a professional detail. It's got a drag style handlebar setup, some upgraded grips, good balance on the black and the chrome on the front end, good tire on the front too. That's a pretty sweet looking front wheel. It's got the single brake disc, really shows off the wheel, still has plenty of stopping power. It's got 2,825 low miles. Pretty aggressive sound to it. I like it a lot. If you'd like to know more about this Vulcan 900 Custom, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world, so it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.